Hi reception class, here is a video for Thursday and Friday's English lessons. So for today and tomorrow's lessons you will need your little mini book like this that was inside your pack, and also your sheets of dinosaur pictures. So you should have two different sheets of dinosaur pictures to use. So if you just want to pause me and get those things ready now, please. Right, this week and last week we have been reading this non-fiction book called I Love Dinosaurs, and we found out so many different facts about them, and today we're going to put this knowledge to good use. And your little challenge is that you are going to make your own little non-fiction book about dinosaurs. Right, so the first thing that you need to do, reception class, is to do the front cover of your book. And I'll just show you what mine looks like. So what you need to do is choose a dinosaur that you want to put on the front cover of your book, cut it out and stick it on the front like I have done. Then your next job is to think of a title for your book. So that's what your book is going to be called. I've decided to call my book All About Dinosaurs because it's going to help people to learn more about them. Then your next job is to write who the author is. Remember, the author is the person who writes the book. So the author today is you. And on my book, it is me. So I have written by Miss MacDonald. So that's your first job, to do your front cover reception class. Then, after you have done your front cover, you need to go to your first page, choose another dinosaur, cut that out, stick it at the top of your page. Then you need to write one or two things that you have learnt about that dinosaur. I have written on my first page, I've chosen an Ankylosaurus, so I've written it is an Ankylosaurus, and I've thought of one fact that I know, and I know it has a bony tail. So that's what I have written. And when you're doing your sentences, remember, you need a capital letter at the start, you need finger spaces between your words, and a full stop at the end. So after you have completed your first page, you can move on to your next one. I'm just going to show you one more page of mine. On my second page, I have chosen a Stegosaurus. So I've cut the Stegosaurus out, I have stuck it on. Then, first of all, I wanted to tell everybody what dinosaur it is. So I've written it is a Stegosaurus. Then I thought of one thing I have learnt about Stegosaurus that I can remember from the book, and I have learnt it has plates on its back. And again, I've got my capital letter at the start of my sentence, I've got finger spaces between my words, and a full stop at the end. Your challenge then, reception, is to make your very own non-fiction information book about dinosaurs. Now, you don't have to get it all done today. You can make a start today, and then you're going to have time tomorrow to finish it off. And if you do have a tri-tip reception when you finish, please send me some photos of your book. I would love to see. I hope you enjoy this little challenge, reception class. That is all for today. Bye. Well done for working so hard.